Hey Shopify users, if you would like your Dawn theme to have some animations like this, please stick around and I'll show you how you can achieve this. So first thing you're going to do is search for AOS library in Google, and this link AOS animate on scroll library, you're going to go here, and this is the library we'll be using to create animations on our Dawn theme. And as you scroll down this page, you will see the examples of animations that you can create with this library. And if you go all the way down, right around here, what you're going to do is first you're going to copy this link from here, this CSS link, and then go to your code. So here's your theme, and then go into edit code. You will go to theme.liquid file, which is right here in the layout folder. So I have it already open right here, theme.liquid. And then what you're going to do is look for this ending head tag, and that will be around here. So right around line 215, so right before this, so the script tag and head tag, hit enter, and you're going to paste that link that you copied for the CSS. And now go back to that page and then copy this script link, and we go back and now put that one all the way down. You see this HTML and then this ending body tag right before that. Hit enter and paste that link. And one more time we go back, and this time we copy this right here. Yeah, so this is where we had copied that link, and then right after that enter and paste this script tag with this code and save this file. So now the library is ready to be used on the site. So now you can go apply different animations. So I'm going to start from the top, from the header area. So go back to the code and you're going to look for the header section, which will be of course in the sections folder. And here's the header.liquid file. I already have it open here, and we go in here, and how this works is we are going to find certain divs, the areas that create those sections, and then we are going to add these attributes. You see this data-AOS. So all you have to do is add this to the div and it will animate that. So here this is fade up, this is flip left. So whatever you add, it's going to add that animation on that div. So I am going to apply on our header right around line 126, right here before the class. I'm going to paste this, and we need space in the middle. So right here, slide down and save this and go back to the site. Look at that, header slides down. And now moving on to the next, this is the image banner section we have here. So same thing, I'm gonna go into the image banner section, and right here in sections folder you have image banner. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to add a slightly different animation around line 89. See this where it says banner content, and right before that same way I'm going to add this. So I'm adding zoom in up. Save this, go back, Look at that right there. You can tell it kind of zooms in and comes up. One more time. So just like that, we have two animations already. Now moving on. So what I'm going to do with the next two sections, I'm going to have this one come in from one side and this one from the other. So this one here is the rich text section. So go in your code and you're going to look for, say, rich text. I have already open right here. You will see right here, rich text. So in here, we're going to go to around line 23. So here I'm going to add fade left, save, and let's go back to the site. You can see how it moves in like that. All right, so next, this one here on the featured products, I'm going to do a fade right. And go back here, and I'm going to go to featured collection section. That's what that is. And in here around line 48, I am going to paste this. Let's go back to the site. You see one comes in from the right, one from the left, from the top down. Look at that. We already have all these animations just like that. And one last thing I'm going to do is I am going to animate the footer also. Why not? So go to your footer section, and it's right here, footer.liquid, and I already have it open around here, and on line 41, around where it says footer content, right here, I'm going to paste this and save. And let's look. You see that footer fades up. Now from the top again, header comes in. You can see all the animations, and just like that, we have all these animations, guys. This is nice. So how you can apply these animations is, first you're gonna just look at the animations here, whichever one you like, and then whichever one you like, copy this data attribute from here. Now the main thing is where to apply that. How I find that out is, if you are not familiar with the dev tool, whichever browser you're using, so I'm using Chrome, I'm gonna click like this and I inspect. I believe Safari has inspect too, and in Firefox it might be inspect something else, but there's inspect is the keyword if you're not familiar with this, and it opens up this dev tool. And one more time, if I click there, inspect, you can see in here it selects this line, right? As you are hovering over it, you can see what is being selected in the page, right? So basically I am looking for the div area, like the block that I want to animate. So here you can see I applied fade left to this area, and we could have also applied it to here and still would have been fine. So basically when you find that area, you're gonna go to that widget, or say section in here. They're all kind of the same names, like footer is footer collection, featured collection is featured collection, so it'll be the same name, and you will go in there and then you would look for that particular div. Now that div might look a bit different because there's some different liquid code in here, but the key would be to find, you could search for this, say whatever you see here, class rich text blocks like this. So look for that section there and then apply the data AOS-AOS attribute to that div, and then you should have that animation. One last tip I want to give you is that when you apply these animations, please make sure you test the animation on a mobile screen, because these animations are supposed to come in on scroll, and the screen of a mobile phone is quite small, so you might add some animation. As you can see, like right here below, there's white space, and as we move down, the animation comes in. So on a mobile screen, you might see something like there's white space there, and because it's a mobile screen, it might not look as good. So be wise with the animations you choose. Just a brief video to show you guys how quickly you can add animations to your Dawn theme. Guys, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.